Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the RBC Avion Points for travel. First thing I want you to do is just sign into your Avion Rewards, okay? And once you're signed in, I want you to come here and click on Travel here at the bottom. You'll see how much points you have right here, and you can easily just search up any flights. So just choose where you are traveling from, where you're going to, right? Just search it up, and then you can fill all of these in. You can choose when you are traveling right here, when you're departing, when you're going to be arriving. Then you tap on done. Once you're done, you'll see all the flights for those dates. Okay. And okay, we don't have enough points to qualify for fixed points pricing, but we can go ahead and use this point still. So you can choose. You can also do sort and filter as well. Okay, you can see all the different options, and you can sort according to your needs. Okay. And you can tap on done. By the way, you can search for anything here: flights, hotels, cruises, car rentals, vacation packages. And once you're ready, okay, you just choose whatever you want. You select it, right? And then you proceed further once you've selected it. And if you want to search for hotels, you can do that as well, or tap on no thanks. And then you go to checkout, okay? You click here on checkout. You can also do upgrade options. But here you see this is the total price, this many points or this much money. And you can see this is the only amount of points we have. You can click on checkout right here, and you'll see they'll actually deduct this much money from us because that's the amount of points we will be redeeming. And once you're happy with it, you can proceed with the checkout. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.